Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contact records from a static list in HubSpot. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once the page loads, log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. This will take you to your main HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your CRM tools and features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on CRM to expand the options available under this section. From there, click on Segments or List. This will take you to the area where all your contact lists are stored, including both static and active lists. Now you'll see a list of all the segments and lists you've created in your HubSpot account. Browse through this list and find the specific static list where you want to add or remove contact records. Once you've located it, click on it to open the list. This will display all the contacts currently included in that static list. Let's start by adding contact records to your list. At the top of the screen, you'll see an Action button. Click on Action to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your list. From this dropdown, click on Add Contacts. This option allows you to manually include new contacts into your static list. A new window will appear with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and you'll see a list of available contacts from your CRM. Browse through the options and choose the contact you want to add to this static list. You can select one or multiple contacts depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, click the Add Contacts button to confirm. The selected contacts will now be added to your static list and you'll see them appear in the list view. Now let's move on to removing a contact from the list. This process is just as straightforward. Locate the contact you want to remove from the static list. Once you've found them, check the checkbox next to that contact's name. This will select the contact and prepare them for removal. After selecting the contact, look for the More button at the top of the screen and click on it. This will open another drop-down menu with additional options. From this menu, click on Delete. This action will prompt HubSpot to begin the deletion process for the selected contact. A confirmation window will appear asking you to verify the deletion. In this window, you'll need to type the number of records you're about to delete. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove contacts. Type the number shown in the field provided. Finally, click the Delete button to complete the removal process. The contact will now be removed from your static list. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add and remove contact records from a static list in HubSpot. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.